Hello viewers, let's quickly use the question that we have on the board to learn multiplication of two matrices. And for us to do that, first of all, you will check the question to know whether it is defined. What do I mean by a number, by a matrix being defined? In A, we have this A, matrix A has what? 3 columns. And in the second matrix, it has what? 3 rows. So what it means now is that it is what? Defined. Meaning that we can carry out what? We can multiply A by what? By B. But before then, note that if what the examiner asks us to do is to find BA, the answer will not be the same. But when you multiply 2 by 3 matrix by 3 by 2 matrix, the outcome will be what? 2 by 2 square matrix. Like this particular question that we have now, when I finish solving it, the outcome, the final answer will be what? 2 by 2 square what? Matrix. So let's go. Now to solve this, what I will do now will be, I will use the first row that we have, I will use it to multiply the first what? Column, which is 1 times 2. 1 times 2 will give us what? It will give us 2 plus 2 times 0 will give us what? 0 plus minus 1 times 3 will give us minus what? 3. Okay, I'm done with this one now. The next thing that I will do now, I will still use the first what? Row to multiply what? The second column. Okay, which is 1 times 1 will give us what? 1 plus 2 times minus 2 will give us what? Minus 4 plus minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1. So I'm done with this one. I will now move towards to the second row. In the second row, what we have is what? 0, 1, 3. I will use it to multiply the first what? The first column, which is 0 times 2 will give us what? 0 plus 1 times 0 will give us what? 0 plus 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. So I'm done with this one. Next thing that I will do, I will use the second row to multiply what? The second column, which is 0 times 1 will give us what? 0 plus 1 times minus 2 will give us what? Minus 2 plus 3 times minus 1 will give us what? Minus what? 3. Have you seen it now? So next thing now, I will add them together. So when I do, the first outcome will be 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 minus 3. Because plus times minus will give us minus. So what we have here now is what? 2 minus 3. It will give us minus 1. When you add this together, it will give us 9. For this one, we have plus times minus will give us what? Minus 4. 1 plus 1 will give us 2 minus 4 will give us what? Minus 2. We move to this one. Plus times minus is minus. Plus times minus is what? Minus. Minus 2 minus 3 will give us what? Minus 5. So answer to the question, AB is equal to what? This matrix that we have here. So catch you in my next video. So in my next video, we will multiply B and we will find BA. Bye bye.